Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to layer hyaluronic acid and retinol. First, understand that hyaluronic acid is a humectant, drawing moisture into your skin, while retinol is a powerful ingredient for cell renewal. When used together, they can significantly enhance your skincare routine, leading to a more radiant and even-toned complexion. The key is to apply them in the correct order to ensure maximum efficacy and comfort. After cleansing your face, the very first step is to apply your hyaluronic acid serum. It is crucial to apply it to slightly damp skin, as this helps the hyaluronic acid attract and hold moisture more effectively. Take about 1 to 2 pumps, or a pea-sized amount, and gently press it into your face and neck. Give it a moment, perhaps 1 to 2 minutes, to fully absorb before moving on. Once your hyaluronic acid has fully absorbed and your skin feels dry, it is time for your retinol. It is very important that your skin is completely dry to minimize potential irritation from the retinol. Use a small, pea-sized amount for your entire face. Gently smooth it over your skin, being careful around the delicate eye and lip areas. Begin using retinol 2 or 3 nights a week, slowly increasing as your skin adjusts. To complete your evening routine, follow your retinol with a nourishing moisturizer. This helps to seal in all the beneficial ingredients and provides an extra layer of hydration, which is especially important when using retinol. In the morning, always remember to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or more. Retinol can increase sun sensitivity, so consistent sun protection is absolutely essential for healthy skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.